Hey everyone! I totally just waved with a spoon. Welcome to Adventures in Baking. Today I'm going to be making some peanut butter cookies. I'm following the recipe on the Kraft jar of peanut butter, and it only has 3 ingredients, so I'm a little skeptical about this because I've never made cookies that don't contain flour. But apparently these don't. So we'll see how it goes. First thing, we're going to throw in 1 cup of peanut butter. Peanut butter. My God, this is a lot of peanut butter. One cup is so much peanut butter. Look at this! Okay, that might not be like the best view of how much peanut butter is actually in this bowl, but there's so much peanut butter. I did not realize how much 1 cup of peanut butter was. Next, we have half a cup of sugar. And finally, 1 egg. So now apparently we're just supposed to mix it all up until it makes cookie dough. Again, I'm a little skeptical, but let's see if this works. This is what my cookie dough looks like pre-mixing. I am very hopeful for this. This dough is so incredibly thick, but I don't know, I think it looks alright. This is where we're at. So I think we're ready to bake our cookies. So, the recipe says to roll the dough into 1-inch balls and then press them down with a fork in the typical like crisscross peanut butter cookie fashion. Is that 1 inch? This doesn't roll very well. They look like peanut butter cookies. Alright, moment of truth time. Well, no. Moment of baking time. The moment of truth will come in about 15 minutes when I pull them out of the oven. Wish me luck. Get these in the oven. I will see you in about 15 minutes. I've still got about 2 minutes left on my timer, but I just wanted to let everybody know that my kitchen smells so much like peanut butter. Seriously, if you're allergic to peanuts, do not come over here. You'll probably die as soon as you walk in the door. The timer beeped. So you know what time it is? Time to get those cookies out of the oven. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Well, they look like peanut butter cookies. So, my first tray of cookies looks like they're cookies. They smell like they're cookies. I hope they taste like cookies, but I'm not going to try them now because they are super hot because they just came out of the oven. Do not eat cookies that just came out of the oven. Alright, time to bake the rest of my cookies. I will see you when all my cookies are baked. Well, folks, my cookies are done. Do you want to have a look? Woo! I still haven't tasted them yet, but they all look like cookies and smell like cookies, so they better taste like cookies. I hope you enjoyed this Adventures in Baking video, and if you want the recipe for these peanut butter cookies, they are on the back of basically every jar of Kraft peanut butter, but I will also put the recipe down in the description. It's pretty short, but it seems to have worked, despite my skepticism. I'll see you next time. Bye, everyone.